Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you need a way to convert your AC wall outlet power into DC 12 volts? Well, I want to show you this from SHNITPWR. This is an AC adapter, and this is a power supply that you can use for a variety of different devices. So the reason I got this is I had ordered a massage chair and it did not come with a power supply. So while the company did reimburse me, they didn't send me a new power supply, so I had to find one. So this is exactly what I was looking for in order to be able to use my new appliance, and it does a great job. So of course, super simple to use. You have your wall plug here that you're gonna put into your outlet, and you have your converter, and then you are gonna use this little plug to put into your appliance. So lots of different appliances use this type of plug. So if this is the size that you are looking for, then this is a really great option. It's lightweight, of course, super simple to use. It has a nice long cord, and the unit itself does not overheat. It's very safe and super effective. So if you need to get your items powered up, then definitely check out this AC adapter. That's my point of view.